True. Hey, I'm trying to.
In today's video, I'm going to be using this hair, and I'm going to use 2 different colors of the crystal braiding hair. I'm going to use these weaving caps. I'm going to use some flexi rods, and then I'm going to need a scissors and a crochet pin. Also, not forgetting a big comb. So first, I'm going to take out the hair from its packet. This is color 1002, and then I'm just going to cut it into 4. After cutting it, I'm just going to tease the ends. I think this is so that it has like a tapered look, but it's not really necessary since you're going to curl it, but I just like doing it. So after teasing the ends, I'm just going to go in with a brush or a comb. I'm using a comb here, so I'm just going to comb out the tangles. I'm going to repeat the same process for the brown hair. This is color 33. I'm just going to tease it, and after doing a little bit of teasing, I'm going to use a comb and comb out the tangles. This is after I've brushed and combed the hair. I'm just going to take the 2 colors and try to mix them so that they blend with each other. This is going to take a very long period, so I suggest you chill, watch a movie, and then you do this, because you really need to keep going at it until the colors become one. So here we are. I'm still mixing the hair. As you can see, it's a little bit better than I started, so I'm just going to keep mixing, and then after that I'm going to take my paddle brush, and then I'm just going to brush the hair. So yeah, I'm just going to show you how I curled the hair. It's nothing difficult. I just start from the middle, and then I twist and turn, and I keep twisting as I'm turning the hair so that it comes out really curly. I'm just going to do that right till the end. So since I didn't have enough flexi rods, I just used 1 flexi rod for 2 curls, and I'm going to repeat the same process here. You keep twisting and turning till you reach the end of the hair. And then after that, you fold the flexi rods and you place in your bowl. So I'm just going to speed up this part, because in case you didn't catch it, for the first set I did, you could just use this as a reference. So after that, I'm going to go in with a kettle of very hot water, and then I'm just going to pour over the hair and the flexi rod so that it could have time to curl. After pouring the water, I'm just going to use the towel, because it's really hot. Use something other than a towel. So I'm just going to use a towel to press the hair down so that it stays in the bowl.
The next day,
I left it to dry overnight. I took it out after 5 minutes, and I left it to dry overnight. So this is me unrolling the curls. I don't know if this is the word, but yeah, this is how I take it out from the flexi rods. And as you can see, we have beautiful curls. So this is just a view of the hair, and I love how it turned out. So to start with the wig, I'm just going to show you how the curl looks. It's really bouncy. I'm going to open it up and separate it into 3. After that, I'm going to use my crochet pin, and I'm going to use 3 holes at a time. And after picking through 3 holes, I'm just going to pull the hair back with the pin, and then I'm going to lock the hair and pull the hair through the loop, and then I pull it to lock the loop. I don't know, it's self-explanatory as you can see it, but I'm going to do it one more time so that you see it very well. first, you separate the hair. You pull the hair through 3 holes. You secure the hair through the crochet pin, and then you lock the latch, and then you pull the hair through the loop you've created. And also you tighten the loop so that it doesn't move from the hair. So fast forward, this is me. I've done a great deal of the hair already, and I'm just going to continue doing the same process. I'm just going to insert the pin, pick some hair, close the loop, and then pull out the hair and tighten it. So it's the same process I'm going to use. I'm going to see you later when I'm almost completed. So right now I'm trying to close the hair. All I need is to pick hair in smaller pieces and repeat the same process. At this point, I'm trying to do the invisible knot method, and I just did that for a couple since I was closing in on the front. It's nothing serious. You could use whatever way you want to use, but I just wanted to try and use it. And this is how the wig looks when I'm through with everything. Right now, I'm just going to add some wig combs to the hair because I want it to be a little bit secured when I wear it, since I don't want to use a rubber band. So I'm basically sewing it, just go through up and under, up and under, up and under, and then we are done with the sewing. So here I am, my hair is already prepped. I gelled down my hair and then I'm using a wig cap. As you can see, I'm using a side part, so my hair has a side pattern. I'm just going to wear the wig and then just look at it, just try to arrange it to how I want it to be. So right now I'm going to use the scissors to just cut some parts out, like the curls that are too frizzy or what. So I'm just going to cut them out, and then I'm also going to try and shape the hair so that it matches my face frame. So after cutting it, I think it looks okay. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. Also like and leave a comment down below. But most important, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Don't forget to peep my social media and let's be friends. Go follow me.